Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Mako Iga. Code SSIS149. Released on August 19, 2021. And it has 120 minutes watch time. The story is about father-in-law and his daughter-in-law. The couple went to the old guy house and they stayed there for a month. So the next day, when her husband went out to buy some groceries, leaving them alone at home. So later on, while the girl was waiting for her husband to come back home, the girl fell asleep at the living room. However, when the old guy saw the girl sleeping at the living room, things went out of control. They spent quality time together and the wonderful story began.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.